Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them are clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop the gun, lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day. Welcome to Kina Life in Jamaica. Anyway, thank you guys so much for supporting, and please remember guys to put the thumbs up whenever you're watching. Please remember to put the thumbs up, because I know most time you guys forget to put the thumbs up, you know, but I'm waiting. So pause the video. I'm waiting. Din 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 din. We know that game, the Wheel of Fortune. Yes, so time's up. So guys, I hope you put the thumbs up, you know. So we're back. So today we're heading into Trenchtown, you know, update and workshop project. You know, so apparently Natural is going to be free today, you know, because Natural is busy for the whole of this month, you know, because he explained to me, say he's got a lot of work that he meant to be doing, and you know, he could not to get them done. But now, alright, so he's in like a backup catalog right now with so many works to get done, you know. So today is gonna literally teach the guys them to do the works, because they know, say Natural is there, you know, as the man that has got the talent. So he really want to show the guys them how to get it done, because he's been trying to, you know. So now he's putting down his feet, you know, so he's gonna like find out and let the guys them learn something, because at the end of the day we all need to learn a trade, you know. No matter how late it is in life, you might feel like, so well, you can't teach old dogs new tricks. Sometimes it can work, you know, if they're willing to accept the teaching, you know, they're willing and want to work and want to learn, you know. So it all depends on the individual if they want to learn, you know. But there's a chance in life you can adapt to any situation at any time. So today is going to be I want to get workshop ceiling done, you know. So let's see what can get done today, you know. So I'm on my way down there, you know. Hopefully it goes as according to get done, you know. So you know, sometimes things come in play, obstacle, things change. So hopefully this is on the right direction today, because I must say workshop, you know, it's been well overdue, you know. And you can call it, say it's finished, because what left to done is like nickel and dime, you know. That's the word that left to get done, nickel and dime. So once we get that out of the way, you know, we already got some toilets already from Unknown, you know, from the UK, that provide us with some toilets. So all we need to do is buy a face basin, you know, and start to get the ball road and paint this place, you know, and getting furniture. So if you're moving, you know, can trust me guys. So that's what needs to get done, you know, because it's been a hectic journey. It's not been easy. It might look easy on the other side while you're watching it, because there, guys, there's so much thing I have to do, so much things I have to deal with as well too. More negative energy, you know, and trying to stay positive at the same time. So it's not easy. You might see it and think, oh, it's easy, because you see the after when the video is done and everything, but behind the scene, trust me, it's hectic, you know. So I also have to think about myself as well, to think about my well-being, you know, because in real life you lose money, but it come like you lose nothing, you know. But when you lose health, you lose something. But when you lose the health, it's hard for you to get it back, you know. So I'm trying to focus on my health as well, because if I'm not healthy, I cannot carry on the journey, you know. And then my mental health is not focused and it's not there, I cannot carry on the journey. So I have to try to think about reset sometime, you know, so I can rehydrate and get back on this journey, so I don't lose not to be loose, to get discouraged, you know, on this journey that I'm doing, because it might seem easy, you know, sometimes tempting because of the obstacles that's in the way, you know, make you want to give up, you know, because a lot of time it comes across my mind, so I think I've done enough. But then again, I think about, you know, the people that's in need, you know, the members them that's in need. So it's not easy for me to carry on this journey sometimes, because sometimes I think about, I just need some me time, you know. I need to think about Kino, you know, at the end of the day, because Kino is only got one life, right? And just take that split seconds for you to like have your time here in this universe expired, and you don't know when. So I don't want to regret or sit down and complain about anything, you know. I just want to just accept what it is, but I want to think about my life as well too, you know. So also remember I got a family as well too, you know, so I still need to think about them, you know. I got my kids same way, you know, that's there in the UK, but then they still need a dad. So I still need to think about me staying healthy for my kids them, right? Still got my family stay, my mom, my dad save me. So I don't want no one to be crying for me because Kino, you're sick, Kino this. I have to think about what Kino can get done for himself also, you know. So I'm just trying to jump these hurdles one step at a time, you know, and see where this journey takes me. So I give thanks, you know, more time for the health and strength. I thank the Almighty for blessing me with that also, you know, for the guidance going out and coming in, you know. So guys, and I thank you so much. Remember, please to put the thumbs up whenever you're watching. It helps you to recognize the video, you know. The more you don't like the video, the more YouTube will recognize the work that we're doing, because it's not showing us anything good we're doing. Because if you're not liking it, giving the thumbs up, YouTube won't recognize it, right? So that's how the algorithm works. So please remember to put the thumbs up, you know, if you're interested in the program to grow. So blessed love, guys. So stay tuned, you know. I'm heading into Trenchtown right now, so you see what's going on. Is Tivoli Garden over there. Yeah, I'm trying to go now. Well, blessed love, guys, blessed love. Yes, so you know I'm here in Trenchtown today. So I just arrived. And the same thing I was saying, you know, so apparently things kind of change, you know, because natural same get called, you know, so you have to go on the road, go do some work, you know. So apparently we could be doing the work today now on the ocean project, you know, because we say have to go on the road, so hopefully him say by in the week here, you know. So that's what happened, you know. Them saying get a phone call, I have to go on the road, go and do some work. So yes, so we have to put our voucher project again for another day or so. So I'm here now. The place is quiet. Prefect. Yeah. I'm going to say Jella right here. Baby, where Jella there? No man, she come this way. How will she go? Come see she go through the yard there, so. Oh.
Yeah, come by your yard.
Angela?
Yeah,
come to go through the yard there, so. Them say cartel free?
Free like a bird in the sky.
Damn. Alright, I want to get a text, a concert.
Yeah.
You see her?
I wonder which part they stay through there. I want a ticket to the
Boys Town.
Boys Town?
Yes. Boys Town. Jella. Jella, yeah.
Free Actually.
Make sure you don't have this time, free again.
Free! Papa told them I call my can't get in now and I went there like it's gonna pour more.
Jenna. I have a donation here for you as well. Another donation. What's wrong with you? You look so? Just a week. So every time you come on camera, you're just a week. And then we can start with the same like you know, sleep. People sleep and not see me, you know.
Eh?
Alright, you see the camera, I'm going to go sleep. You don't go do your work. Oh, the camera now?
I gotta do my work.
Yeah.
But I do the work now.
Anyway, I'm a super man.
Alright. Yeah, so here now. You have $7,000 a year for you from Dana. From the USA, from Kansas, USA, for help out with the situation. Jella, focus. Yeah, just zone out.
She shall listen to Cartel
Dana.
free.
Yeah.
USA.
Yeah.
Dana from the USA. Many thanks. May the good Lord bless you and keep you safe. Thank you very much, Dana.
Well, Jella look zone out a while ago, Jella. What go on, man?
Yeah, man, very nice.
Cartel, I'm not Gaza with the
Cartel can't make me zone out.
Gaza for life.
No time.
No time.
I like shot it.
Yes, sir.
No time.
It's a Jesus Christ for life.
I will tell you, the blood of Jesus for life, baby. Don't tell me about no Gaza and no Cartel.
Yes.
Tina, you see she? I'm a hypocrite in you know why now? It's when the music turn on now, you're going to see she come, hey, and her cup in her hand, you know?
Yeah, celebrate.
Yeah.
The music I turn on. You keep something
Yeah, so
So the song coming.
we have pre-sold ticket as well.
Come already, man.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Gaza
man.
Nation under the Gaza.
Hey.
Can't get him phone.
So we get the selector. Yeah. Did they have drink in there? They're not tough.
We have the jackfruit seed.
Yeah.
We have mango.
The jackfruit is the way they blend it.
Yeah, boiled and blended.
Oh,
I mix it with dragon and remember I can't put everything in
Oh, okay.
KFC and I give them recipes.
Yeah. KFC tell me what I go on, man. That's why I say preview I could the YFC.
And then lettuce with cucumber.
Yeah.
And I have cucumber with beetroot.
Healthy.
Wow.
Healthy. So I go drink green juice. Maybe have the healthy juice, guys. Healthy. Yes, guys, let me say natural gone on the road, you know, so apparently we cannot do any work today and chef, you know, no work at all.
Green juice.
Yeah, so that's how it goes sometimes, you know. I'm saying natural gone on him, I told him say I'm busy, so you know the thing goes already. Well, bless your love, guys. So, you know, so we're here now another day, you know, as I say, in the previous, you know, when Natural wasn't here, you know, so we're here now, and today we're going to try to do worship sealing, you know, and get the Salitex and everything, you know. So guys, welcome to Keen Life in Jamaica. Remember, please to put the thumbs up when you're watching. Put the thumbs up. I will thank you so much and we appreciate it. Yeah, so you know, as I said, Natural is going to take a back seat, you know, and make the guys them learn how to do the work. You're just going to show them the measurements and they're the one that should do the measurement and, you know, and do the work, you know. So that's what's going to take place, you know. So I'm still appreciate, you know, still appreciate seeing me, you know, the time, you know. So let's see what we can get done today, you know, so we can just try to move on, you know. It is just one of those things, boy. We have to give thanks for life. See me, I hope. I thank you guys so much for watching, guys. So stay tuned. We're gonna get some get done.
If I make that, I don't think the next man for eating. I'm gonna fold the tape over this and we'll go there. I don't want to get the fold to the can I fold.
What about that?
Fold to the can. How much feet inches again? You have to write according to where you get from the warp and the measurement around. You can just put 102.
1 feet, 2 feet, 3 feet, 4 feet, check
So 8 and 8 are 16. 8 and 8 are 16. That's a 1 length of board. 5 and 5 are 10 and 6, 12. That's a 14. 5 and 5 are 10. And you have 6 and 6 are 12. So that 1 foot and 1 foot, 12 foot that. 8 and 8 are 16. The 2 pieces of board that. Yeah. And measure from yourself to get 4 feet up in the air or something. That's right. What am I doing now? You have to learn, and I'm here to learn. So you have to measure it for catch the measurement for the natural. Catch that for this. So up there so you get the 4 feet, so you should apply that. Now 4 feet. Alright now. So when you're done now, how much feet are board now? So you look right now, say you have 16 at a 2 length of 16, 1 length of 12, 1 by 3.
And the tree.
That's it. What you do? Mr. Measure from this to this. How much you get? 4 feet, don't you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. 4 feet.
4 feet.
No, natural.
No, from up at the top there.
Natural. You sit on the board and so much you get.
You stand up on something.
You sit on the board and so much you get. Stand up on something and sit on so much you get.
Roll the end back wow.
About 4 feet there. Find 4 feet. No man, come on man. Come on man.
4 along the line.
Come on man. 4 feet. 48. 48 there is 4 feet. 48 man. Alright.
No, come on, look for that.
Man. 4 feet and 48 and come up black and red.
No, I know 48.
Watch for now. If you get 8 feet something going on so. And 1 sheet apply that by 4.
Yeah.
So how much ply do you want so?
How much ply you go on, sir? A 2 sheet apply.
Alright, 2 sheet apply, man put on 2 sheet apply upon something. 2 sheet. Alright now. Back to your son. 5 feet 6. Right? 5 feet 6. 5 and 5 and 10.
Yeah.
Alright now. I put 6 more inches right now, 1 more foot. 11 that. So 1 length of 2 length of 16 and 1 length of 12. Yes, I see it out. Alright. 2 length of 16 and 1 length of 12.
And 1 length of 12.
Put down my paper.
2 length of 16 and 1.
Length of 16.
Let me say 1 length of 12. The 2 length of 60.
2 length of 60. And 2 sheet.
Oh man, dry tape man, I have to dry tape for measure the bedroom. Dry tape and measure the bedroom. Yeah, well like I see, you don't have to know the measurement and the material for this. We don't have to stand up on our way now. Just wall to wall and I can tell the measurement. 1 man can't do that, 2 man have to do it now. So in a sense 1 man, because it doesn't make sense. So I worked out, if a 10 by 10 I get. A 10, right? 1 again, not the room at 10.
Yeah, room at 10.
The room at 10.
Yeah.
Alright, if you work out room by 10 by 10, I simple mathematics at now. I work out a 10 now.
10.
So 5 and 5 are 10?
5 and 5 are 10.
So 4 and 4 are 8?
Yeah.
And 4 are 12? So how much it apply, go sir? Don't check the piece off right now.
3.
3 sheet.
3 sheet, go sir. Alright
Plus
now.
the-
Alright now.
Yeah.
8 and 2?
8 and 2.
10.
10.
Alright now. Half it. And 1 go sir. So how much it apply that?
4 sheet apply.
Alright. 4 sheet apply. Write down on paper.
Pen by pen.
Alright now. You apply them for the wall, you come right round on the wall of this now. They set the board them. And come at 12. You cut off a feet off it. Now 4 go on the wall. 4 go on the wall. How much crossface now?
4 up on the wall.
Yeah, 4 piece of 12 go up on the wall.
How much go across here?
Yeah.
Same 4 man.
Alright now. I read TV now. A 3 ply goes, don't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3. So 4 and 2, 6 and 1, 7. And yeah, 1 more by so 8. Alright. 8, 1 by 3, 12.
8, 3.
Yeah.
8 piece
One
and
by
1 with 3.
12.
Bedroom. Bathroom. You can split them in 2 and go right round with them. You can go round with this now. Right round the bathroom and do the top of this. So you can nail pan this also. You can nail pan the above pan this. When you go up on top of this, if you go up on top of this, you show it here. So you want to split this in 2. So this is 1, 2, 3 pieces of 1 by 3, 12. So yes, put on for the bathroom, 3 pieces of 1 by 3, 12. All up on so much again. With a pound of 1 inch nail.
With the 8.
Yeah man, this everything different, you know. This board different from that board and that board, you know.
Yeah.
Pound of 1 inch nail. And the
2 length are 6.
2 pound of 2.5 inch nail. So there's the ceiling bed.
We have this one.
Supposed to have two length inch and what is 1
How much is your bedroom? 7.
7 sheet apply. I have
How much light did you feel, sir?
2.
No man. Can't 2. Can't 2.
2 8 are 60.
No man. Watch me. It's 16.
Yeah.
Watch me. 8 and 8 are 16. I cut this in 2 and I 12. What for the across, sir? Now 3 length.
3 length.
3 length, man. Now 3 length
3
again.
length out
3 length for ear, sir.
1 with 3.
7 for ear, sir.
Yeah.
And 2 in
2
there,
in
sir.
there, sir. So 3 and the 7 are 10.
Yeah.
And the 2, 12
12 piece.
12 piece.
Alright. 12 is right. Put 12, 1 by 3. Well, I'm going to say 3 pieces are 16, 2, I'm going to say 1, 2, 3 pieces are 12 supposed to be, the rest of them are 16. So 9 pieces are 16 and 3 pieces are 12.
9 piece are 16.
And 3 pieces are 12. So now we have to buy 16 like.
9 piece are 12.
More Celtics.
Two for yourself.
2 Solitex.
2 for yourself.
2 Solitex.
How much in there, sir?
4.
So
4 and
battery.
5.
Sure.
3 comes
3, 4.
4 in
Five,
total of
6,
7.
7. Then I hit man 7 sheet I the ply.
7.
7 ply. 9 sheet 1 with 3.
1
with 3 16.
No. 1 dash 16. 9
1
dash
dash
16.
16.
9 of them.
9.
1 dash again 12. 3 of them.
3 of them. So
1 inch nail. A pound. Boy, you're supposed to have concrete in your left back.
No, concrete is supposed to be in it.
No, if you buy concrete nail. I'm pouring a inch wire nail. Like that. I hit that for the ceiling bed.
Right, pound a 2.5 inch wire nail.
Wire nail. Put double mean wire and a nail. Everything is a learning process. If you just do everything, I call it other things as well. And you can get that and then I come ready for this something, ready for nail up and frame up there. And we can do a show now and do it.
Alright, so we just got the Solitex and the 1/660 and the nails. So yeah, so we get these now. So we're gonna start covering the roofing inside the house. You know, so these are the minority. Yeah, so these are the work that left back to finish. You know, so so once you get these out the way now, then you know, so after that now we're gonna build up the step outside as well too. You know, because the step is a bit low, so we're gonna build them up a step, and then also you can think about to start the paint by style it. You know, you have to tile it already, so face basin. You know, because we have the tile bowl already, so we need the face basin. You know, and so there's not many stuff left on the paint. And after that now, furniture. You know, furniture. You definitely need to get him a dresser drawer, and you're gonna need a bed as well too. You know, so you're gonna get what we can get. You know, with whatever we have. So you know the thing goes there, so this time. How was that? Mugul. Oh chef, what am I doing? Hola. Yes guys, so now we have some donation for the members then, and we have to give thanks for Liquor U in Nutsy, a white van from Church Avenue, Brooklyn, New York, you know, so we have to thank them for the donation for the members, for the men them, you know, because last time the female them to get some donation from Liquor U, you know, it's the gentleman them, you know, Dream Team man them to get some donation now, you know, from Liquor U, Nutsy, you know, white van, you know, to go all the way from Church Avenue, Brooklyn, New York, you know, and also individuals on the outside as well too, you know, so let me go dispose these donations quick and fast and then go back around to the project, you know. Yes. Endo, Chinaman.
Yo.
Chinaman. Have a donor, I buy a drink. You know, Liquor U, Nutsy, you know, white van from Church Avenue, you know, so Liquor U, yeah, Brooklyn, New York. So Nutsy, so must get $3,000.
Right.
Liquor U.
Nutsy.
Yeah.
No respect. Thanks and respect for this. And you see this? It I do a whole it to you know, cause and I'm here to do fine, you know.
Yeah.
Because it's enough. But I always look up for some Liquor U too, you know.
Yeah.
So maybe this I got help by if I this I help them buy them ice cream Sunday.
Yeah.
Respect, love and respect.
So,
yeah?
so Liquor U, Nutsy.
Yeah. Liquor U, Nutsy.
And
love and respect.
yeah, white van.
Yeah, white van.
From Brooklyn.
From Brooklyn.
Yeah man, do it
love and respect. Because when you do something like this for me too, when help a lot of youth when I like, there's some for youth when I love, I look out for too, you understand? So this I not just me alone. This You see this way you do not say, look you out.
Look at you.
Yeah. It gonna do something for some little pick the top on a Sunday, you know?
Look like him.
Yeah, love and respect, yeah?
Yeah.
Madly. Alright, respect you.
Yeah. Yeah, man, so give thanks to Nutsy. Look at you, you know, white van from Church Avenue, Brooklyn, New York, you know. We thank you so much, you know, for blessing them.
You can't tell me no.
Lady up there, sir. And move. Light parks. Oh. Yeah, what go about old chef? Yeah.
Hook it on the board, tap hook on the board. And one man
never take it.
A man hold down like that. The man get him 4 feet now. A man hold down like that now. Mark 4 feet now. What is it now, boy? Hold it in there.
The bucket.
The bucket, stand up on them. That's what it is.
Hold it in there. 4 feet. Mark it on the wall, you know.
What time?
Mark it on the wall. Mark it on the wall. Mark it on the wall. And then at the board, you know, you just put up now. Same type.
9 million.
And same type for the next one.
No, go on.
Same type. Alright, now that will nail up. That's all. So the player that corresponds, I put on the player down.
Make a 2 piece of ply, one big broad one on the piece that I cut and put on.
The piece I cut and put
on, yeah.
Sorry. The piece I either up on the side over there, so. But you know,
them there, I'm going to use. Like I want 4 links.
alright, that's all. Alright, nearly that's all. Alright, yeah. You catch the next end now. And knock it, that's on the board.
Whoa. 3,000 a year for you. Yeah, man, from look at you.
Look who you,
Nutsy.
look who you not see.
Yeah, man.
Long time I hear about not see, now for Canadian, America.
White van, you know, from Brooklyn, New York.
White van not see.
That's all.
They up on the work, you know. Only for blessing, you know. Only for blessing, thank you very much.
Alright, good.
Alright, them there,
Catch
you
you
see
next
me
time.
nothing.
Can't catch you next
You can drink 2 bottles of water and bill are easy, man, you see. And the project not done yet, still not go and see me, so up and running with it, see me, you know. See me, I say, enough love, not see. Blessed love, not see.
Ah, nice. I'm catching a party. And the money start hitting them, man. Don't worry about money thing, man.
Boom.
The money go all the way, you know?
3,000 a year for you from look at you. Nutsy. White van.
Look at you, not say white van, blessed and one love. Thanks. Still there, I'm going to blessed one love.
And you have to learn to use it, man. I said, you have to learn to use it, you know, not sure.
No, man, from yesterday,
You have to learn to use it, man. We are go through. Alright, catch you next time I'm from Bethlehem now. Alright, don't go all the way home. If I catch it in your board, that's it. Alright, the next one now.
Perfect.
Next one.
Yeah. From look at you.
Look at you,
Nutsy.
not say, enough love. Thanks very much, you know. Really appreciate it. Bless up, one love.
Sit down. No,
Alright, where the next one then?
sit down.
I want to say.
Yeah.
Put in a one and say alright now. I'll catch a 4. I'll see how it look now. Alright,
Go on
knock in that now. Knock in that. Knock in that.
Wow, well,
Hold on the car.
from look at you. Nutsy.
Look at you, don't see. Enough respect, you know. They are going to put in a left and a right. Enough respect and manners. Old basket is never empty. Manners, one love.
Alright then. Yeah, man, so the last time the female in the dream team ladies them they get donation from look you remember Jella? So these are for the males them now, you know, so I say so we're gonna see the rest of them, you know, so they can get theirs as well too. So we'll give thanks. So another the struggle is real. Knock it in from the X side.
Alright, yeah.
Long piece of board rubber picture. What a board. What a board. Yeah, that's well and put it on this. Well and put it on this. What that's well as that's well as start pressing on. What a board on that. Enough to go up the button. Enough to go up the. Alright. One time on this. You see what I go on now? You see level? Look on this. You see what I go on? So this is a bowl now. Put the bowl right there, sir. That's it. Cut piece of bowl bring come on. Cut a long piece of bowl bring come. Right there, sir. Hold there, sir. Hold. Which by 3 there, sir. Let's cut out by 3 there, sir. Now you can't spoil. Yeah. Cut out the sir. Come on. Bring that come. What the board of class here, son? Let's catch a rate there. What is fine? No man, what the board come on, son? What the board come on? What the board? Alright, you see the rate there? Alright, nail the board there, son. Nail the board there, son. Nail the piece right there, son.
Hold it.
And the rate keys there. That's nailed up on that. That's stack it in. Boy, bounty.
Back.
Alright. Catch a one there, now. Two short pieces of mix. What is this one? I two side them. Nail to a bunch. Nail to. Catch the next one and the other one. They are freshener, man. Send a freshener up in there or something, man. A bullet that now go through it. Alright. Rest the bowl upon this one. The piece of nail upon this. Drop 2 nail knife first, man, before I put up. The taller piece. The taller piece. How do I tell you much? So the piece I use strap the side, the piece I use strap the side. Like that. Drop 2 nail like that, man. Drop 2 nail knife first. Stand up on this and hold up the board on this one. And I catch the rake for the next one. On this side over here. Hold it. Nail it, hold it up, man. Push down on it, you know. Push down on it, you know. Push it go down. Knock it down, make it go down to the left side. Make it buck. Height. Go on. Alright, that's it, alright. Hold the board now. Hold the board down across here and make the board come from project on this. The board there. The piece of come here, now. The piece of come here, right there. The piece will take off from here, sir. The piece with this. The cut already? It's a gun like this. No, sir. Right there, sir. We don't have to nail that, man, because this is a nail up on this. I don't really can't catch it now. Nail up this, man. Hold up this up in the air, man. Nail this, man.
Come down, settle.
No, man. They're bunting on the board. Hold on this now, brace down this now, stop the side end.
Go look at him, brace it down himself.
Now we brace it down because this one say this is a kitchen rake and this doesn't feel rake, so we go up to pass it. You understand?
Can't come down, you'll have to go cut this, sir.
No, man.
The board there, sir.
Here go on. And I'll cut it, I will cut it. Before we shall reverse back this, that this come down some more for me, this, the criteria, this.
Okay.
What, this?
Yeah.
It me not try to speak, but yes, I go come down Jenna too.
Dig off back this.
The foundation.
Dig off back that. Dig off back that. Dig off back that. Glider. Glider. Reverse back in here. Reverse back in here. Reverse back in here.
And each night make it can't come down front one.
Reverse in here. Reverse in here. Put on here further back up, sir. Up, sir. Alright. Put it back there, sir. It's time to reach down to this. Come back up with your hand. Come back up, sir. Come back up.
Come back to you. Come back to you.
Yeah. I line up with it now. Look at it now, West. Look at it now, West. And me and them not matching.
Yeah, me not tell you.
Nearly the next one. Well done, buddy. Well done. Nearly the next one. Alright now, that one now. Catch the one that's the same now.
The next piece.
Catch the next piece I can't decide so. To catch the one that's something. After that I move back and catch the rate now and line up and set the wall now.
Perfect. Turn on. Where board for this?
Yeah, see that the long piece, see long piece, a drum, that's a drum. Alright, we can use that for guide.
I man. I mama said to that one. Oh yeah.
Yeah, use it for guide.
That's funny.
Perfect, get on it?
Yeah man.
So come down more, the board one come down. Hold along this pan this now. Draw it in, carry on reverse on. No man, it's alright there man. Come down, Leon. Come down, no? Where you can pass the one tree or so.
Yeah,
Come down to me. Don't rest upon this. Don't rest upon the two before. Don't rest upon this.
No.
Make it in line with this. Ease up here. Put the board level on actually. Put the board level here, best now.
See that if you level this so this I go still want to go up.
No man, just watch the massive.
Yeah.
To this,
Yeah.
hold this up.
Yeah.
Nail the board and step now done. Just leave the board alone now.
No,
Let's kneel like that.
One thing, don't make the board shift up the head shift up. Yeah, if you come down there so. Take down this now. This will go so. This will go pan this. This will go so. That's all.
Yeah.
That's all it will go.
Yeah.
Then nail on this pan this now. Nail on this and this. No.
Nail on it.
Not it. That's why I put here so forget the drake with this man to nail on pan them.
Level come crack.
You don't get to
Yeah, but it's not flush, you know.
Natural, you know that. Not loud, watch it, now watch his face. I'm tired over this.
You have to take out the piece of board off of this. So.
Don't go in, man. Knock it in. Knock him in. Bam. Yeah, knock him in. You shouldn't come down, partner. Alright. Get a piece of board. Get a piece of board. And I buy Achilles. Come get a piece of board now. Get a board. Get a board outside this one.
Now put a nail on this.
No. If we not tell you for them, if I do it, I can't on the wall see anybody now. Go in the other board.
Oh, boy.
Push it through one of them gap here. Line it up with this, you know. Natural. Come on, man.
Next gap, man.
Come on, boom. Next one, man. If you can't, man.
Natural. Come out of the one and line it up with the thing properly, man.
Come on.
Alright now, turn it flat. Can't go flat. Alright, shove it up. Shove it to it. Shove it and bucket on this. You brace down. The man nail up in the air, so you want a brace on it.
You can't tell us one of them board, you know.
That's right.
I'm taking from the bar. Yeah,
Alright now. The brace the mark on it, so. Alright now. Nail this up in the ear now on that now.
So.
Nail this up in the ear now this one. You need to catch it. And then you can nail it to the side.
Let's stay away, man.
Boy,
Boy, let's stay, man.
and this one here, you know. That's what we're going to sign it there from what we kill Philip.
I'm going to take it to what's your place to move. One of us,
Put in the side piece and now I can't now. Drop in one I can't, sir. Fine, sir. Put one sideways, sir. Alright, cool. Come with the same board now. Same board, I shot a piece there. Boy, take out this. Take out this board, sir. Broad board. Hold on. The board I got is some brace down there, sir. The piece of board I brace down right there, sir. Go. Son. One of this down. You want to come down with your hand. Exactly. So I'm that one now. So man, they're going to put one here to catch that one up in here. I'm going to hold the pressure on that. That's it. Go right up in that one.
Never kneel, you know, so. Never kneel, you know, like
right. Well, when you can walk in, put them on the wall.
Alright. If I get trouble, send one, sir. Send one, sir. I'm still carrying on going to trouble. Knock it back. Alright, good. Go up in the board, yeah. You catch it, man. Now I'm going there. Right over. Alright, good. We're going to send one that way. Boy, step up, sir. Smooth side turn up in the air. Smooth side of the water. When the water runs by, you can gaze off it and don't soak it. Turn next side, soak it. Like for water resistant. Well, let's up. First of all, boom. You have to hold something and hold the middle like this, for the end of this. Come on, stay ground.
Something use that.
Use piece of board or something. Yeah. Hold the middle.
one
Hold the board there. Where the board there?
I put on the next day.
You don't need no more nail.
The money that shake away.
Where the tall board there? Where the tall board there?
Get another piece so you can hold it up.
Where the tall board there? Where the tall board there? Look at the tall board outside. Hold it up, yeah. Boy,
Put it
you have
on.
to come in from the angle. You have to come in.
The four from the house park.
Jack it to the corner over there, hold the corner over there. Show it and hold the corner over there. Boy, the foot tight on the ground. Watch me now. Put the foot tight on the ground over there and jack the corner there and hold the head there. You know, don't stay behind the board now. Come behind the board over here so you can lock yourself in the corner. Push it as it hold it in. Push this against the cement now. Push it against the cement and lock it. You don't have to hold it now.
Come on back now.
Down, that's alright, alright.
Yeah, man, say that.
Alright, that's all, no man, it's alright.
I'm on Neil.
I'm on here.
What's your mountain?
I'm on here. Come on, I feel the accuracy, you know, accuracy. Match it. First, come on, sir. Hold it, sir. You come on, sir. Catch a nail, sir. Out for the plyboard there, the board there. Catch a nail, sir. Naturally, don't look. I just put the board there, the broad board and come across, you know. You don't have to look for nothing. Naturally, I go too close. The board there, broad change.
Prefect, flush down yourself. Prefect, flush down yourself. Flush
No, the board is that thing, you know. Just leave here, sir. I strip and step out there, sir. Strip. Alright, good. Right. You don't have to go so far down, I say, no, the board there, I say, no. It's a branch, 1 meter now. Go down, stay here. Right here, sir. You see the board there? Yeah. Right here, sir. Don't go close to the walls. In the 1 meter broad, man. Yes, sir.
Go to the corner of the barn.
Barn. Who is this hold us? Barn. Now we stop this there. Let's hold us out this man. Yeah. You know how does it look, you know?
Big finger on ready, it's the energy. That's good.
A pencil, a pencil. Go on here.
Look there. See sharp. See look over there.
Look, boy, I'll see you now. The man will keep pencil.
Boy, turn your back to the wall. By your right hand, yeah.
A pencil. No, let's mark it for the market out there.
We book it.
Where blade?
Blade, something else, Blade, something else.
I can come in here, you know. When next pencil?
The marker there.
Oh, see marker if I say no.
Exactly.
Boy, I did. Boy, you will make Barney nail then.
You know, if you trouble that. You have a shovel.
Yeah, me in there.
You see here, sir? Come and teach you something now with this one. You see here, sir? Not the board pan here, sir. Not the hammer. Not what I know. Bounce down so you say it find the side, so. Left and nail it. Bounce it go and see you find a solid zone.
Let's say if I do a short of my boy.
Go all the way, please, not to go on, sir, man. Go all the way, sir. Apply now, sir. Shove it back, man, and hold it back. Shove back the board and hold it back.
Take time, bro.
Alright, good. See how many there, sir? Banana. Take out that. Bounce the solid zone and then find the solid zone. Hold on, wait.
Show up that, man. Show it like.
See that, sir? Come here, sir. Like board right in now. Come here, sir. Come here, sir. Bounce the solid zone and then find the solid zone.
Yes, sir.
Bounce it and then find the solid. Come over to me, sir.
Boom. Boy, push up the ply now.
Go up onto the ear. Go all the way up onto the ear. Banana. Turn around and follow the board and go all the way to the ear. See there? Follow it and look for the board behind you, sir. Bounce onto the ear. Alright, come here, sir, again. Come here, sir. Push by the scraper.
Cut him.
Upon the board, stand up.
Tile lead, man.
Asha, hold that, sir. Come cross the thing, sir. Hold that. Banana. See me there, sir. Knock out this and feel that one and hold it up.
Boom, rub some sinker by upon him.
You run back there.
She going to run in the back there. Yeah. She run the panel.
She will stand up and think a solid place, you know. Go there. Banana. You want to listen, you know. We have to feel it and take the ring out of the ply. If you need it from the side of the ply, you start shrink go back down. So you want to take it from here, so. Find the board. Bounce the thing and bounce down for your solidness, man.
Yeah, give it to me. Right, some of them.
Yes, sir. See that, sir? Bounce it, sir.
Yes, some of them.
Boya. Boya, sir. Boya. Come on, man. Bounce the thing and say we find the thing, man. Boya. Bounce the thing till you come. Boya, you know what you're son?
You have to me there, man.
Lick the thing. Bounce it over here. Run on the board, man. Run on the board. Bounce the board. Lick it. Let's lick the board. That's how you're the son.
That's solid, man.
Yeah. Alright. Where you going? Get some lined up and take the mark from yourself. Take the mark off of this. Go all the way up, sir. Let me see.
Straight board on there.
Nail in the one. Nail it in and come down. Nail the one, man. Nail the one. Then finish.
And follow it come down the line.
We are nail thing, we never go in.
I'm not have the angle, brethren.
You have to turn it on, your hand have to use.
Short
And tap the hammer. But choke the hammer too much.
That's how it's a Straight him on, yeah.
Right out, man, no nonsense. A bullet that in there. Right out. When you can't get in a while, try and start then dry it out. Put on here some. Near can go on this and go some, go on. Hold this.
Say I put it there. Tough like stone.
Once it's in there, you have to try it up. You can't play it. It just fade away. Alright, catch us. Catch us. Wow. Last one, by top. That is an old lesson. Look at that, man. You have to follow that, man.
Right. On the board, yeah.
Now come back, you know. Good. Alright, one down up. Drop them. Now put in the rest of them.
Alright guys, so as you can see, the shoe that them get to put up a one ply. It wasn't easy, it was a challenge. So they make it work, you know, so they put in a ply for the day. You know, so it was a challenge for them to do this now on their own, you know, so finally now they get something out the way, you know, them put in some work. So born the first day in the class.
Watch out now. You see, life in Jamaica. You hear that Kerry Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.